How to create Crunchyroll account. Creating a Crunchyroll account is simple and allows you to stream anime, dramas, and more. Now follow this step to sign up or register for a new Crunchyroll account. First of all, open any web browser on your device. Now here I'm simply tapping on the Safari browser. For example, you can tap on any preferred web browser. Now, once inside the web browser, you will get to see the search address bar option available. In the search address bar, simply type down the www.crunchyroll.com and navigate to the Crunchyroll official website. So here I just typed the Crunchyroll, so you can see the official website of Crunchyroll at the top. Let's tap on it and navigate to the official website. Here you can see profile icon available at the top right corner of your screen. Simply tap on the profile icon and there you will get to see some options available. Now, once you tap on it, you can see create account option available. Simply tap on the create account and then you'll be navigated to the sign up process. Now create your email address and password once done, so check the terms and condition option available there and simply tap on the create account at the orange box and your account will be created. Also, you can click on the verification link sent by Crunchyroll to be verified as well. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.